Hello everyone, my name is Clive Swansbourne and I'm excited to announce the launch of my new YouTube channel, Piano Insights. The purpose of this channel is threefold. I will be offering performances of my repertoire from a lifetime of piano playing, my favourite pieces, and then I'll be offering videos about how to interpret many of those pieces, and how to think about them from the ground up, as it were, how to look at the structure of the piece, how to recognize the mood swings, the emotional landscape, and bring all that to life. And the third category is short videos dealing with specific technical problems in piano playing that any pianist will encounter every day, and how to solve those with the most creativity and with the least effort, which requires smart practice, and that's why I call them smart practice videos. I think these are mostly obviously of interest to pianists, piano teachers and students, but I think also they should be of interest to the music lover in general. And I hope that you will join me in future and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.